I'm on a mission to incorporate more fresh fruits and veggies into my daily diet, and it does not have to be hard as we make it out to seem. By making a few ingredients in this meal prep ingredient prep, literally just 30 minutes to an hour of one day can literally help you out with your entire work week and make incorporating more raw vegan foods so much easier. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to Ital Eating Treats, where we prioritize health and longevity. So I wanted today's video to center around meal prepping, but it's not necessarily meal prepping like actual meals, but it's more so meal prepping ingredients. Half the time what makes making meals during the week so difficult for people is that you have to prepare all of the ingredients, like chopping up onions and stuff, preparing salad dressings and everything. Whereas if you have the ingredients already prepped, it makes cooking during the week very easy and simple. So today's video is more of going to be focusing on preparing the ingredients. Today I'm going to be preparing simple things, homemade hemp milk for my smoothies, chopping up simple things for my salad. I just got some sesame seeds and I was running low on tahini, so I'm going to break out the food processor and make some tahini, all of them something. And everything today will be fully raw vegan. If you're interested in more exclusive fully raw vegan recipes, you can go ahead and check out my new fully raw no cookbook. It has over 60 recipes. Some of them are Jamaican inspired and the whole of them are well seasoned. It will be linked in the description box down below. As you guys know, I always use my Cuvings cold pressed juicers for all of my cold pressed juices. It can also make nut milks, it can make smoothies, it can make sorbets. I love it so much. I'm literally in love with it. And Cuvings is currently offering a 20% off sale for Labor Day. This sale literally ends in less than a week, so make sure you run and you don't miss it. You can use code ITALEAT20 and the link in the description for 20% off. Now let's go ahead and continue on with the video. So I love to drink a protein smoothie a day. It helps me to get more fruit and veg in. But one of the things is that I no longer purchase store-bought milks because they can be expensive when you look for milks that are not including any sweetener or any stabilizers or other preservatives. So making my own homemade hemp milk has been so affordable and literally so easy. You don't have to strain anything. It's so high protein. About 1 cup literally has about 9 grams of protein. So adding that into my smoothies is so simple and so easy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make one of my favorite juices I've been enjoying lately. It literally has strawberries, sage, carrot, orange or tangerine, beets and apples. This can help out with menstrual cramps as it contains beets, which contain a really high amount of iron, and oranges, which contain a vitamin C, which helps to boost the absorption of the non-hemp iron found in beets. Today I'm using my favorite juicer ever, the Cuvings Auto 10 Plus, and there is currently a 20% off sale going on for all the Cuvings cold pressed juicers and blenders. That's literally over $140 off. This sale is ending in literally 3 or 4 days. When I must go and use up the code so you don't miss it. I've been using Cuvings products for the past couple of years and I have been so satisfied. Their customer service is so great and their products are high quality. As you can see, the juicer is literally huge. I put in so many different apples and maybe 7 carrots at one time without having to chop up anything. One of the features I literally love about this juicer is that I don't have to core my apples because it literally filters out the apple seeds into the pulp, which is so incredible. I was able to get about 2 liters of juice from this mixture. It's so delicious, probably one of my favorite juices. Honestly, who wouldn't know say that this combination of fruits with tea is so good. It's delicious, has a whole heap of health benefits. I actually shared some with my friend and they loved it. It's a must make. Purchasing tahini, like a good tahini in the store, can sometimes be quite pricey. It can range from like $5 to $7 to even $8 for a jar. And so I love going to my local Asian market, getting a big old bag of sesame seeds. That bag of sesame seeds was about $6, and I can make a whole heap of different ingredients. I can use the sesame seeds whole. I can make my own homemade tahini. As you can see, it's super easy to make, and a lot of tahini in the store roasted sesame seeds. So if you want to keep your tahini fully raw, you can go ahead and make your own tahini from home. Alright, so I had some leftover tahini in a jar, and in my household, not no waste, not dash way. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pour all my ingredients for my creamy salad dressing right into the jar. I'm gonna shake it up, use my arm strength, getting my arm workout for the day, and this was so delicious and tasty. I seriously feel like a walnut meat is such a staple in every raw vegan's like itinerary. It's super easy to make, it's absolutely delicious, and it's a great source of protein for those who are trying to consume more raw vegan foods, whether you're fully raw vegan or partially. So as mentioned earlier, you can go ahead and chop up a whole heap of different vegetables to have them on prep and store them in your kitchen, store them in your fridge. It's up to you. You can chop them whenever you're ready to make a salad, but I feel like it'd be much easier to chop them beforehand and store them with a paper towel in a glass container. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble all the ingredients for my salad. To add a little bit more protein, I added some chickpeas, but of course you can just do the raw walnut taco meat if you desire. And I'm topping that off with the delicious, insanely creamy, high protein tahini dressing I made earlier, and this whole entire salad was absolutely incredible. That is it for today. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me while I prepared some ingredients to make my life so much easier. I love incorporating more raw vegan foods into my everyday life, and this is going to help me out with the week so much. I hope you all have a beautiful day. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.